right there. Hello. I love you some matcha. Whoa. Have you heard of the chakra stuff?
Yeah.
Do you believe?
No, I mean, not really.
Not really.
I mean,
I find it interesting.
I do too.
Guys, this skirt is so cute. These pants though, those are fun too. Those are like the matching pants to that half zip over there. I love the skirt. It might fit.
You would have to.
I would have to take it in. Hello, we just got to LAX. I'm gonna go pick up Taylor. She just landed. Well, I don't know, I think she knows now, but she just got captain of UO dance team, so we're gonna go celebrate with her, but we have to make it inside first. Whoa, T1 got upgraded to first class and became captain all in one day. She basically has to take a shuttle from here to the baggage claim, which is what I had to do last time, and I was struggling. Welcome to LA! Oh, thank you. That's what we're having. We broke out the snacks. We're waiting to check in at our resort, and we're starving, as you can tell.
You guys want to do yoga? There's a yoga normal.
And open. This is the bathroom. Hello. Why is it so big?
I don't know. I thought it was in the closet when I opened it.
I like our little yard. What does the gate go out to? Is it a fake one?
Kind of looks like it.
Yeah. But then why would they have a latch? Random.
For fun.
We are all literally starved, so we're about to go get dinner. ASAP.
ASAP Rocky.
Let's go, ducks. Good morning from Palm Springs. I don't even know what time it is. I think I went to bed at 9:30 and I didn't get up till 9, so is that 12 hours? I can't even remember the last time I did that. 11 and a half hours of sleep, so I think I just really needed to recover. But we're in Palm Springs right now and it's the perfect weather. We're going to the pool, we're gonna tan, lay out. Today is solely focused to relaxing and I'm literally not gonna do anything else and I'm very excited about it. Our place, it's very pretty and we're supposed to be quiet everywhere, so. T1 and I wanna take pictures tonight and this place has a really good background. I know they have little flowers and it's all white and it's a private place, so they have like a little private pool and everything, which is cute. I think I want the salad. Got our food. I got the Asian chopped salad and it looks so good. It's hour 500 of tanning and my stomach is burnt. And I think you're gonna be next, especially because you just took a nap on your stomach and your back's about to be so.
I know.
The thing is you just don't know.
Can you do the 50
Yes.
on my back?
Yes. We've resorted to the 50. We might have to go to the shade. See, now we got the best of both worlds. That's what we're gonna do. Oh.
Oh, that was an awful noise.
I did not like that. We're back. The Taylors and Kiara's. Snack time. Here we have cheese, apple,
Raspberries, and more cheese.
the challenge today is we only have a plastic knife.
Thank you.
Just go and do it. The only other issue is that we don't have our white cheddar cheese. These are really good. I also have a whole entire video to edit, so I'm low-key stressed. Plan for the rest of the day is to take photos because it's gonna be golden hour in about an hour. So we're gonna get ready and then take photos. And then sister can edit, which is gonna take a while. I have a lot of footage. Look at this plant. I could get up to show you, but I'm on vacation. We'll just get a good angle of it. Oh gosh, wrong way. I look so fabulous right now.
You know this is gonna be
We
difficult.
could go back a little
Cutting
more.
the cheese.
You just really gotta saw it in there with all your power. Not beautiful, that's for sure. For now, we eat. If you haven't tried apples and cheese already, it's my favorite snack.
It's true.
They're really good.
And crackers and little baby pickles. I personally like to keep my food separate, so I'll eat cheese separately for my apple.
I
Whereas
eat it
Kiara
together.
will pile on an apple with cheese, and
Raspberry.
olive,
True.
or a pickle,
I
and a
can
cracker
pile.
all on one.
I like the mix of the flavors. So now I washed my face, we're feeling good. I am gonna get ready for this photo shoot. I found this makeup mirror in the bathroom, so I'm like honestly stoked about it. I have no idea what I'm wearing. I brought a ton of clothes like I always do, and yet I still feel like I don't have quite what I want. Thinking I should redo the way I pack clothes, pack outfits instead of individual pieces. I'm still missing so many of the girls from the dope trip because we've been texting in our group message literally all day today. And I just miss everyone. So if you went on the trip and you're watching this, I miss you. I hope you're doing well. I don't know what my hair looks like. Let's take it out of this bun. You guys, sorry. Oh. I don't think this is even salvageable.
You need to brush it.
Okay, so we salvaged the hair, which is honestly a miracle of God. It doesn't look great, but it'll work for the photo. It's golden hour. Big time. This is the fit we got going
Should I
on.
put on a necklace or no?
If you want, that could be cute.
I have the one that you got me last year.
This is my outfit. The top's from Brandy Melville. Skirt is from Urban, and I'm wearing it with Supergas. I'm gonna link it on my dope profile so you can check it out down below. And T1, is your outfit all from Urban?
No, the bottoms are from Madewell.
So T1 and I just took some pictures along this trail. We got the sun going on right there. And then over this wall, there's a tennis court. I've literally never shot on a tennis court before, so this shall be fun. We're setting you guys up. We're doing it. We're putting them in the hole. Let's take some pics.
They turn our homes into ashes. We fled out the back door. We ran towards the city lights. Oh, the city lights. Still not used to all this concrete. Abandoned cars in the outskirts where we sit and eat.
Oh my gosh, it looks so pretty on here. We're changing locations because I saw these purple flowers. Hope there's no animals down here. Behind the scenes. We're here with Kylie.
Hello.
We forgot to tell you that she made the long trek all the way from Palm Springs.
Yes,
and now we're getting brunch. This is what we ordered. If you guys want fries, just let me know. Right now we are editing by the pool. I'm being productive. T1 just whipped out the snacks, so I've been eating the goldfish. And she's really, really tan. I am not. I'm covered up in this blanket. It's kind of cloudy right now, but it's still super nice, so we're just soaking it in. And these are really addicting. Oh yeah. We just got our food. T1 got the tofu, and I got the pasta.
Oh, no, we don't